Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Fiwix, a fascinating, tiny Unix-like kernel. It's incredibly lightweight, clocking in at under 50,000 lines of code. Amazing!
Under 50,000 lines? That's remarkable. Most kernels are, millions of lines? What makes Fiwix so small? Is it limited in functionality?
Exactly. The key is its focus. It's designed primarily as a hobby OS and educational tool. Simplicity is paramount. It's based on a monolithic kernel design, written mostly in ANSI-C, with only small assembly language sections. This minimalist approach keeps the codebase lean and easy to understand. And no, it's not drastically limited. It's POSIX compatible and runs a good number of GNU applications.
POSIX compatibility is a big deal. That means it can run a lot of standard Unix utilities, right? So it's not just a toy OS, it's actually usable?
Precisely. It's not just a theoretical exercise. Fiwix OS, the distribution built around the Fiwix kernel, includes a GNU toolchain, libraries, and other software, all free and open source. It uses GNUlib as its standard C library, and X2 as its primary file system. Think of it as a stripped-down, educational version of a full-blown OS.
So, X2, that's a classic file system. Interesting choice. I wonder about the hardware support. The site mentions it, 386, is that it? Any plans for expansion?
Right now, it's i386. The focus on simplicity means they're prioritizing functionality over broad hardware support. But, the beauty of open source is that anyone can contribute. They explicitly encourage community involvement, submitting patches, adding features, improving documentation, even porting packages.
That's a great point. The community aspect is crucial for a project like this. It's under the MIT license, so it's very permissive. That should attract contributors. But, the news section on the website, that's a little sparse, isn't it? Not many updates recently.
You're right. The last few updates were quite some time ago. That could be a concern. Perhaps the project is less active than it once was, or maybe they're working on a major update behind the scenes. It's something to keep an eye on, but the core codebase is solid, and the project's goals are clear.
Absolutely. It's a valuable resource for learning about operating system design. The small size makes it much easier to grasp the underlying concepts than a massive kernel like Linux. I think it's a great project, even with the infrequent updates. It's a testament to the power of open source and community collaboration.
I agree completely. Fiwix is a fantastic example of a well-executed, focused project. It's a testament to what can be achieved with a clear vision and a dedicated community. And remember, listeners, you can find the download link and all the information on their website. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.